Hi there. Now we will see the types of models and the difference between reflective and formative models in SEM. First of all, the types of models. So there are two types of model. One is called measurement model, another one is called structural model in SEM. So sometimes the measurement model is also called the correlational relationship model. On the other hand, the structural model is called the model with dependence relationship. So for the models, theory actually forms the conceptual foundation for the SEM models, because whether the relationships will be correlational or dependence, it will be denoted in the theory, because we know that CB-SEM is basically a confirmatory factor analysis part. So that's why the theory should be the foundation. And SEM model tests the hypotheses that are derived from the theory. The theory supported hypotheses are tested in SEM. So the measurement model relates the observed variables to constructs using confirmatory factor analysis. Say for example, this is a construct, these are the items or observed variables. So in the measurement model, we are interested to see the relationship between the construct and their associated items. On the other hand, the structural model shows the dependence between the constructs. So here you can see the between construct, there is one arrow. So the arrow between the constructs. So here we are interested to see the relationship or the influence of exogenous construct on the endogenous construct. In the measurement model, we actually interested to see the relationship between the items with the construct. And the constructs are depicted as oval shape, as already have discussed, oval shaped, and the observed variables are square or rectangle in the path diagram, while the arrows indicating the relationships. So now the difference between reflective and the formative measurement, or for reflective and formative models. So reflective model, here you can see the latent constructs. Here is the latent construct cause the measured variables. Here you can see the three measurement variables, and the arrow actually drawn from the construct to the items. So that's why we are telling that the construct actually cause the items. And here you can see all the items have the similar meaning. Here I appreciate the hotel. I am looking forward to staying in the hotel. So actually kind of measuring the similar thing. I appreciate the hotel means maybe customer satisfaction or intention to stay. Then looking forward to stay, it is also intention. I recommend the hotel to others. Kind of similar concepts. On the other hand, in the formative measurement model, the items actually form the concept or the construct. Here we do not tell it the construct, because items actually measured, the items are different meaning and actually causing or forming the concept. Here the arrows are drawn from the items to the concept. So here you can see the items have different meanings. The service is good. The personnel is friendly. So service is good, it indicates the service of a particular maybe company. The personnel, it indicates the employee perspective. Here the rooms are clean, it indicates the maybe atmosphere. So that's why the items are different. That's why it is a formative one. Here the items or questions are kind of similar, because we are repeatedly using the similar items. That's why it is a reflective one. And now let us look at how the models actually work in AMOS, how they look like. You can see that economic factor, it is a reflective one. That means we maybe used three questions that are similar. That's why it is a reflective one. And arrows flow from the construct to items. And the second one, the formative aspect. Here you can see education, occupation, and income. They are different things. Education is different from occupation. Occupation is different from income. That's why they are actually forming the concept. And that's why it is called the formative construct, arrow drawn from the variables, I mean the measured variables, to the construct. And here one model that have both reflective as well as formative construct. We will see each and every one. This is just for the basic discussion. We will see in details and practical examples and demonstration in AMOS in the other videos.